More photos are taken every 2 minutes today than the entirety of the 20th century combined. I mean, who doesn't like taking photos? But what we don't like is taking 10 photos of the same moment in the hopes that at least one of them was good enough, and then later going through a gallery to find the perfect shot that needs to be shared with our friends and family. This problem is especially large for photographers. A typical photographer, on an average, will shoot close to 6,000 images at a single event, and they do over hundreds of such events every single year. Out of the total photos shot, only 10% are to be selected and edited for final delivery. This process of selecting photos is done manually and can take as much as a third of a photographer's time, that is, a few days to a week for every single shoot. To solve this exact problem, we have created Aftershoot. Using a smart engine that's been trained on over 10 million images taken by thousands of photographers, we are able to automate more than 90% of the image selection process in less than 10% of the time. And all this with a similar accuracy, if not more, if done manually. By doing this, we are giving our users over 15 hours back in their lives every single week. Aftershoot understands what goes into making a good picture, and it can correctly identify the best picture among a set of similar looking but not so great images. A smart engine looks at the objective issues in the image like blinks and blur, but also gives preference to the aesthetics, the lighting, the user's choice, and even the social media scoring, which is a far tougher nut to crack. And as more people use it, it also gets smarter and more personalized to their choices. Traditional tools that are built by the likes of Adobe have tried to solve this problem by optimizing the speed with which the image is displayed on the screen. But you still need to review each and every image manually to make the final selections, which is an extremely slow process. Whereas with our desktop application, you can easily drop your images and select your preferences for blur, blinks, duplicates, etc. After this, with a simple hit of the start button, your images will start getting tagged by Aftershoot. While your images are being processed, you can work on something else or grab some coffee. Once done, you will be notified via an email, and you can go back into Aftershoot to quickly review the photos that have been suggested and make any adjustments as needed. After you're satisfied with your changes, save them, hit the export button, and either move into the folder containing your images or bring them into an editing software of your choice to further beautify them before sharing them on social media. Remember, the more you use Aftershoot, the more it learns and adapts itself to your preferences and style to make itself more integrated into your workflow. Our current focus are the 32 million photographers all across the globe. Charging them a comparable amount as other tools involved in their workflow, a market size for Aftershoot is around $3 billion US. Getting a hold of this market presents a much larger opportunity for us to upsell automated editing and delivery tools, which further increases the market size to $15 billion US. The learnings from solving the pain point of professionals is helping our AI engine to become smarter and better over time. And with these learnings, we eventually aim to tap into the consumer market of over 3.5 billion and growing smartphone cameras. We intend for Aftershoot to be the Grammarly for photography, where it can analyze your photos in real time as you are capturing them and guide you towards taking a perfect photo, no matter your skill set or the place. Through our soft launch in December, we have onboarded over 3,500 professional photographers with literally no spend in marketing or ads. We are also processing an average of 200,000 photos through our platform every single day. Our month-on-month growth in the number of users is over 60%, and the growth in number of photos is over 80%. Recently, influencers and thought leaders have started using Aftershoot, due to which we have seen an exponential increase in our usage. And we are leveraging this momentum to onboard more influencers and tapping into their audience, which allows us to increase our user base further while keeping our acquisition costs low. Hi, I'm Harshit, founder at Aftershoot. My expertise is in product, tech, and photography. Peter, our VP of Biz Dev and Sales, is a photographer himself and has over 15 years of experience in enterprise sales. Ayushman, our CTO, has expertise in core tech and building scalable solutions. Our team consists of the perfect mix of photographers and developers, which means that we have the domain expertise and the technical knowledge to make this work. With Aftershoot, our aim is to make the world more beautiful, one picture at a time. Thank you.